MACHNIST CNC Vertical Grooving Machine 12503-200. Integral Q345 frame plus stiffened table, anti-deformation. Rigid structure, longer service life. Sharp heat-treated alloy bits deliver fine cutting and fast chip clearance. Reinforced jaws lock workpieces tightly for zero shift, steady cutting precision. Premium electric parts ensure steady control and all-round circuit safety. Rigid rear supports dampen vibration and deliver consistent grooving results. Lubricated chrome shafts cut friction for steady, accurate long stroke movement. Integrated tank and pump deliver steady hydraulic power to the CNC V Groover. Movable stowable brackets support sheets, unobtrusive in use. Smart controls deliver precise tuning and stable operation. Steady feed, uniform grooves, broad sheet adaptability. Balanced multi-cutter layout yields steady cutting and uniform groove quality. Parallel grooves with steady pitch and neat cuts. High-quality grooving machine series, choose MACHNIST.